Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw dinosaurs in love. It is really cute, simple, and easy. It's going to be two sauropods, and you're going to like it, okay? It's only 8 minutes, so stick around the entire lesson, and you will have a new skill in the end of 8 minutes. Really short video. So let's get into it, okay? Also, don't forget, if you love learning how to draw dinosaurs or Godzilla or your favorite cartoon or anything like that, hit the subscribe right now. Definitely hit the like button, but definitely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. That's what's going to let you know when I post and what I post. It's going to show up on your feed randomly, and you'll see like a thumbnail in there, and it'll be like, oh, cool, it'll be a picture of what I was drawing today. So let's get in here. I'm going to go over here and draw a line like so, kind of like kind of a weird L. Same thing over here, and those are the top of the heads of the two dinosaurs. Pulling down here, it's for the mouth. Mouth on this side. Pull it up. Now I'm just going to curve here on this side like a heart shape, like that. Line here for the front of the leg. In, down. Curve over here for the neck. Line out, down for the back right there. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull over here. I'll move this around a little bit. There you go. I'm going to pull back over here for the tail. Pulling in. Curve over here, the back of the leg. Curve over here as well, the back of this leg. Down, down, kind of for that flat hind foot. Pulling in. Now I'm going to wrap the tail back in there. Line in, up. For the front foot right there, it's also flat, kind of like elephant feet. And we're going to pull up over here for the bottom. Line down, curve. Line down, curve. Line over here. So that's one side, right, of the equation. That's one Diplodocus. Now we're going to go over here and more or less mirror that. So it's pretty much going to be the exact same shape. It's almost like you're practicing your kind of mirroring. You go over here, down. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, too. It can be a little bit different if you like it to. Up. On the back, curve down, and over here the tail on this side. Oops. It's gonna go a little bit off the page, but that's fine. Curve over here, down, curve here, back, in. Line inward for the bottom of the body there, and I'm gonna find a leg in the back here. See, it's like one shape here. This is cute. You can put this for decorations and things of that sort. Right on. Gonna draw a maybe like U shape right there for the eyes. Like, is the eyes closed? I'm going to throw thinner lines here, just kind of for the, couple of insertions here, just to kind of make it look a little more natural. Line over here for the mouth, line over here for the mouth. And let's draw the nails on the feet. They're like little gravestone shapes. like so. And if you really want to put it over the top, well, let's find the back of the jaw here. Pulling up, curve, back of the jaw, curve, back of the jaw. And let's go over here and draw a heart. Heart over here. And maybe like another one over here. And if you like, you can draw maybe a little bit of the line over here, which is like these little lines, the insertion points of the musculature there. If you want to change them up also, you can probably draw like a design on them. See, maybe like very, very light, like these, you know, maybe topical circle designs on one of them. Or you can also do the same thing on the other one if you want to kind of even them out. I think we don't know the color of dinosaurs, but possible guess that will make that look a little more realistic, a little bit more detailed out. So it's kind of to you. We can throw like a thicker line the back of the front leg as well. Anyways, that's it. I want to thank you so much for staying here this long. You are amazing. Do me a huge favor and comment what else you want to see on this channel. It's been a great time here. A little shadow here, I love doing this, so it's been a couple of years of me doing this. I'm very happy for all of you for sticking around, and I would never have really been here if it wasn't for all these people supporting me, and I appreciate it. I'm trying to hit 200,000 subscribers. Let me know. Please help out. The best way you can help out, if you got any value from this video, if you got any value at all, you can do something for the channel. It takes 2 seconds and it's completely free. Basically, it takes 2 seconds to do this. Totally free. Press the share button on YouTube here and auto share it to another social media platform, maybe Twitter, Reddit, or Pinterest. Any of those. When you do that, it brings a lot of value to the algorithm here, and it just helps out so much. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I want to thank you again, and when you start drawing, by the way, I want you to make it easy. Okay, make it easy and draw. So I will talk to you another time, and I will see you very, very soon. And that's pretty much it. Okay, I'll see you later. Have fun. And always keep this exciting, okay? Always keep it easy.